Hello and Ramadan Kareem to all of you. Since we are in a lockdown and in short of resources, today we'll be cooking something which has the least amount of ingredients in it. Shan has a wide range of masalas or spices as you call it. You can see it on my kitchen counter right now. I've already been using them since years. Their masalas are of premium quality and add a lovely flavor to your food, making them so yummy and tasty. In today's recipe, we will be using Shan Tandoori Masala and Shan red chili powder, turmeric powder. Apart from them, I'll also be using Shan ginger garlic paste, which is another main ingredient of the recipe and adds lovely flavor to it. So let's go ahead with today's recipe. Today, we are going to make tandoori fries. For that, you require thick yogurt, Shan spices, Shan ginger and garlic paste, of course Shan tandoori masala, and potatoes. The first step is to preheat the oil, and now we go ahead to prepare the sauce. The first thing we mix is Shan ginger paste, and then now going ahead with Shan garlic paste. Since it's a lockdown, we'll be using the least amount of ingredients. Now going ahead with Shan spices, that is the turmeric powder, just a bit of it. And after that, we will add Shan red chili powder. And of course the main ingredient, Shan tandoori masala, which is one of my favorites and the main ingredient in this recipe. We'll be putting loads of it in this one. Peel the potato. And then we'll be cutting them into a fries shape. I have already done some earlier to save on our time. The oil is heated up, so let's put the fries in. Just be careful that the oil doesn't come on you, and fry it till it's crisp and golden brown. Parallelly, let's mix up the sauce. It should be a thick consistency. You can use this sauce even for preparing tandoori vegetables, tandoori fries or tandoori chicken. You can just make and keep it ready, freeze it and use it anytime you want. You can see the consistency now. It's thick. So we will wait till the fries are ready and then we proceed ahead. Yummy fries are done. They are now ready to be drenched in tandoori sauce. My mouth is already watering. I can't wait for the final result. Salt is already there in Shan tandoori masala, as you can see it here, but you can add more to suit your taste. Now pour the yummy tandoori sauce over this crunchy fries. And now these yummy tandoori fries are ready to eat. I have accepted this challenge from my fellow blogger Virda with the Instagram handle Mom in Dubai to get creative and make a recipe out of the least amount of ingredients. So now, here is a lovely thing for you. You should get your creative buds flowing and come up with an interesting dish with the least amount of ingredients and Shan masala to win lovely gift hampers from them. Yalla, let's get creative!